Hey, today I'm back and I'm gonna show you how to make chicken balls. Tonight I'm gonna serve chicken balls. Now we do Chinese, okay? Today, ni hao ma, chi xing ling. Ay, no. That's a joke. First, I have here 450 grams of chicken, okay? Now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna add the garlic powder, okay? This is the garlic powder. And we need 1 teaspoon, okay? Oh, okay, Doc. And then a dash of white pepper, okay? And, how you say that? Where is our water, okay? Okay. Now, we need 1/4 cup of water, okay? And we need wine, okay? Chinese wine, okay? That is the Chinese wine here, okay? If you have at home, okay? We'll be needing 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. If you don't have sesame oil, you can use cooking oil like vegetable oil, okay? Nuts oil, peanut oil. Okay, then what we're gonna do? We're gonna mix it, okay? And then the water will make the chicken juicy and moisten, okay? When we deep fry it. Then what we're gonna do, we're gonna cover it with the plastic cling and refrigerate it for 30 to 1 hour, okay? Time, I'm back. We're gonna make the butter, okay, for the chicken ball, okay? So, we'll be needing 1 egg, okay? 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, okay? 1/4 cup of cornstarch, okay? Okay. And 1 cup of water, okay? Now, we're gonna start beating it. First, gently, okay? While we add the 1 cup of flour. We will add again another 1/4 cup of flour. And we will continue mixing. We will add 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, okay? And lastly, we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of baking powder. We continue mixing, okay? And that's the baking powder. Okay, just continue mixing. Once in a while, you have to scrape the side, okay? You only have to scrape this side and then continue again mixing, okay, till it becomes thick. Now, the butter is nicely thick. We will add the chicken meat later, okay, and we will deep fry it to how much? 370 Fahrenheit, and that is 187 Celsius. And we're gonna use this to check the temperature of the oil. Okay, see you then. Bye. I'm back. Now it's already an hour. We refrigerate the chicken breast. Okay. then I have here the butter, you see. And then now what we're gonna do, we will transfer the chicken. We will put all the chicken here, okay? Then we're gonna mix it, okay, before we drop it in the hot oil, okay? We'll see the temperature, okay? You see the temperature is moving. Okay. Now, we'll drop the chicken, okay? And then now we will deep fry it for 2 minutes. We will deep fry it for 2 minutes, okay? And then after 2 minutes, we'll return it here to the strainer, okay? We will remove this butter on the side. And then after 20 seconds, okay? After we remove it, we'll count 20 seconds and then put it back again here in the wok and another 1 minute, okay? So they will become very crispy, okay? It's 2 minutes now. We will remove, put it here back in the strainer, okay? And then count again, 1 to 20 seconds, okay? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now it's 20 seconds. We will return them again to the pan so they will become more crispy for another 1 minute, okay? Okay, so you can deep fry them again for another 1 minute or till they become very nice brown. Okay, so I hope you like my video and thanks for watching, okay? You can serve this with your favorite sweet and sour sauce, okay? Thanks folks for watching. I will cook the rest of the chicken balls. Thanks for watching. We will try it, okay? Yeah. Dip it in sweet and sour. Ay, Santa Maria. Very delicious. Oh my God, you have to try this at home. Your family surely love it. Oh. Thanks for watching. See you next time.